Hi, folks, and welcome to lesson number 5. And now we're going to have a little bit more interesting lesson. We're going to create these kind of Baroque thingies wrapped around the handle. So let's dive in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a cube. Bring it up, turn it sideways so I can see, and I'm just going to scale it up. See, supposed to be something around the same height. And what I'm going to do now is go to Channel, going to go to Pull Cube, and going to create like 20 edge loops here. And now I'm just going to scale it from the side. So I'm going to make something similar to the reference. Now what I'm going to do is go to Deform, Nonlinear, and Vent. So now I select this, and as you can see, I need my form to go something like so. Now, when I select my object and go to Vent, I'll select 360. OK. And we're going to scale it and try to look kind of similar. So let's try and do that with this. Now go to Edit, Delete All by Type, History. Let's try, first we're going to go to Modify, then Freeze Transformations. So our pivot is normal again. Let's just scale it up so we can see it and edit it. Go to Side View, and from the side it looks really nice. Right, and I can see we need to scale it upwards a little bit, like so. Modify Center Pivot. All right. The next thing I want to do is go to Mesh and Smooth, and let it smooth one time. Now I need to select this object and press Shift-D, so it's going to duplicate this spiral. And what I want to do, go to Modify, Freeze Transformations. Now on the scale, I want to put in -1 on the x-axis, and this is going to mirror it, so we get something like this. And if I want to line these nicely, I'll just rotate it until it starts to fit. And I get something like this. And then I can edit it. All right, so I select both of them and press Ctrl-G to group them. Now I need to go to Modify and Center Pivot. Next, go to Front View. And just hold J and rotate it until it's centered. All right, as I can see on the reference, it looks like this part right here is down on the bottom. So the only thing I need to do now is just modify and freeze transformations. Now the pivot is on the axis, and I'll just need to hold J and rotate it around, like so. Also, if you'd like to have the same amount of crosses right here, we have 3, and on the reference, we have 2 and then this thing. So you would just have to delete this cross right here and scale it up, and it would match the reference. But I think it looks more detailed when it has a few more of these. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create this little ribbon right here and connect these. So select this one and this one, then combine. Turn on face mode, delete these faces. Then select double-click on this and this edge, and then bridge. And that's it. You have a nice-looking connection right there. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the ribbon on top. It's going to be a separate object. And as you remember, I can use this one to cut out the form I like. So just going to create an edge loop here and here. Then I'll select these faces, go to Edit Mesh, and Extract. Select this middle one, and select all of the faces and extrude them out. So this is what we get. And the last thing I want to do is I want to create one edge loop right here. Then take these vertices, bring them down so it creates a sharp edge. And I would like to make these ribbons flatter by these corners. So when I smooth them out, it looks just like in the reference. All right, that's going to be it for this lecture, and I'll see you folks in the next one.